Killer Clown Pistol. Yeah, y'all, I'm back with it. Come get it. Yeah, kid. Yeah, I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead is when they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead is when they wasn't expecting. LIL Pistol, killer clown, son, I'm feeling surprised. Look at this life and they telling me lies. Look at the niggas, they swear they true. Talking about they love me too. That nigga, they ducking, they bugging, they mind. Look at the niggas, they telling me slowing it down. With the music, with the rhymes. Nigga, I can't do it, and I will not, y'all. With the refuse, and it's hit with the black. Look at the niggas, they got confused in the way one. I'm using my hands with the blunts, with them blocks. You see with the one of my palms, and I see with the charm, see what they connect to these motherfuckers in the hood, and see what they brothers, and then they suckers. Niggas, they know what they bugging the game. Look at the niggas, they say LIL Pistol is nothing in his brain. Look at this nigga, he a clown, man, killer clown. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead is what they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead is when they wasn't expecting. Look at me, I'm supposed to be dead, not this walking kid. Look at my niggas, they're sick of losing their heads and sick with they pulling them triggers and now. Then they pocket the lid and they keep it a low note all in the clip. See what the niggas, they flipping, they running their lips and then they following so quick, then they crawling her from the ditch like I did in the year. See what a nigga like me in the game 2018 here. Come on, dog, supposed to be dead in 2005, yo. You remember that year when the little nigga got stabbed in this motherfucker ribs and his back and all that. Look at his legs. Dog, I got a touch right there too, right? Yeah. Come on, dog. Nah, nigga, I was in the coma. That's why I lost my feelings on the right side. And they say when they own up, them niggas ain't no confessing. Them niggas, they dip. Now my life, I'm living like mess, man. Like it's in trash, man. You already know I stay homeless, young, eating out the trash can. Cause you already know ain't no cash that's given in my hand. But when I get cash, they want me to give it to me. I like to one of my best friends. What the fuck is going on with this life? Now people wanna play with me, and now I'm meeting my wife, so that's my weapon that I grab on. Now what you saying, son? Got that motherfucking knife that you stabbing with me at, son? Yeah, I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead is what they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead is what they wasn't expecting. So many years that I've been in this game, so many tears every time they hear my name. What the fuck is going on with this life? The bad memories I live every day, so I be sad when I leave the cemeteries. Come around the game, thought when they forgot to bury me, they just laid me down. You ever see me put under white sheets? Come on, dog, not in the red. Come around, cause that's my favorite color when I used to bang that blood bang down the shit. Come on, dog, you know that game. Come around, son, now I'm back, yeah, I'm twisting this whole thing. You see me, dog, they trying to listen to me now. On top of their list, son, they wanted to bang. Come on, dog, as the main target that they aim with, son, and I can't dodge this. Come on, nigga, I'm already dead, so you trying to pot this, little nigga, you gonna get hit quick, and your family too, and in this whole world, the rest of these motherfuckers that be coming right through. These little niggas are suckers, don't even know what they playing with, done. Don't know I grew up. I grew up every year as an evil young nigga, and they know what it be like. The blue of the scheme and the singer. Can I get a singer? Yeah, right. Can't. She ain't my wife. She ain't that nice. She ain't that looking. You already know that beautiful bitch. I must say, you already see that I dog was cooking. But you already know what the beat try to shit me, dog. Come in the dog, and that looking so hard. Tryna, I like the one that kill LIL Pistol. Come on, dog. Yeah, like I'm a killer clown of the yard. Come on, dog. I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead is when they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead is what they wasn't expecting. Look at me, M.O.B. That's just what I rap. Me and my music together forever, son. All y'all bitches come next. Yeah, with the game, with the this, with the nigga like me come around with the game. See what the nigga got twisted the guns and the bullets and young shit, so what they rain. With your brains and hit with this
same aim right over game with a dog with the targets. They see with the snipes on the road, gotta swipe with your dog and to see with the truth. They ain't know I'm experienced in this game. I ain't got no talent, nah, I ain't about that. Son, they say no silent, yeah, son, the hood, they got that silent. Girl, like they playing violin. Come on, son, I got violent. Yo, all in my chest. Nigga in my soul, they got evil with it, y'all. See what the nigga got, let it go. Come on, son, me and my niggas going to whip, son. Got guns going out the window, got bust. All of the automatic shots, semi-automatic, I gotta keep loading up. You already see what they call it, the blocks. They looking at pussies, calling them cops. They trying to push me on the block, you already know what the beat like, burning so hot. Come on, son, you already know how I get.
A pistol to kill the clown kid. Come on, dog, you already see what the real nigga now in the hood says, yeah, I'ma drown this. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead, that's when they run expected. Yeah. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead, that's when they run expecting.
When I was in this life at first, come around, this is all I was about. All up in the game, got the kiss of a girl, yeah, put money in her purse, and then she be smiling, yeah, she be wildin', yeah, in the game. And never seen nothing, you know, in days I live with, nah, yeah, getting arguments, and I'm going insane, ready to bang. Every beat your motherfucking face with a steel chain, and then grab this steel again, little pistol, put your body in the field, and I'ma kill you again, and your butt out your motherfucking brains. See these suckers, they ain't thinking the same. They losing their mind, losing their control, they will see now. So now this is how I be. Like in the go, look into my world, you know what to be. Niggas so scared that the pistols junk, you already know, son. Rap that MOB, cause you already know. Music game get recorded every week. Y'all niggas get bored of the game, son. Get the toss in the street, get it done, young. They be busting the heat. Lil Pistol, the East Coast kid, the killer clown in my vein. They got me tied to two, you already know, son. Cause I'm a real ass nigga, young and vain. Come on, dog, it's nothing, son. A real nigga like me, I stand tall every day, feeling pain. And all these niggas talking about they love me. Bitches talking about, yeah, please fuck me. Come on, dog, now they want the money and ducking. Come on, dog, now I'ma bust some air right in the nugget. Come on, dog, in the game. Come on, dip them in their own blood. Come around, son, like a baptizing. And see what the rap that I got, so a surprise, man. Then the niggas don't realize this. I don't need them lyrics in my mind, son. Now niggas, they dog, they written it. Come on, dog, cause they got to practice this. A little pistol, actually live this life, bitch. Come around, so with that, I stand with the knife, son, nigga. I should have my gun on my waist, and you would've been missing. Come around, someone that taste this, yeah, the blood that I spray in my face. Motherfuckers come around and always trying to betray me, son. Now over the grace, come on, dog, say grace. Come on, dog, and then the shit get out my face, cause you know I'm a me, nigga, a critter. Then that nightmare, young, yeah, like a Freddy Krueger, yeah, gorilla.
Yeah, I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead, that's what they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead, that's when they weren't expecting.
I got no friends, got so many enemies, they ain't no pretending. You see what they ended. So everybody's in the game, so and offended. And with the baddies they send it to the hell in the dungeon where I be at. Where they're punishing the pussy ass niggas in the pussy, and they don't know what to be like. I don't care about your rap, cause they ain't nothing me. You can say it or whack. You can say I'm nothing again, I'm just trying to make a track. Come on, dogs, whatever, music's my life. So you play with that if you want, bitch. Alright, you gonna use more than a knife. I need a gun. So many motherfuckers come with, young. You already know what the niggas come from the district. Trying to cross my line, the hood life, you wanna risk it. Go ahead, young, go ahead, young. And I would just take it so quickly and snatch it. Look at them making me like a little bakery. Look at them niggas, they sitting by bread. Now back to me, come on, dog, they stingy. The selfish ass niggas go friendly. They pussy ass niggas that try to be friend of the piston. They know what they can't be. Come on, dog, this can't be so sweet in the hood. Then I'm not the one to play with. The nigga with attitude of my monster, this bitch. Come on, son, go ahead and say it. Go ahead and say it in vain. So it's in my lane. I dare you. I double did your bitch ass nigga. You're my triple, then you know a Glock of the pistol, I'ma blast it. Come around in the plastic, wrap your body up in it, and go and trash it. You want this trash and put gasoline on that pussy ass nigga right in the classic. Come on, dog, let's make it classic. Like a motherfucker in my classroom passing it. Come around in the game in the hood like a taxi, you already know this taxi quick.
Yeah, I call it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead, that's what they wasn't expecting. I called it a resurrection. Me crawling from the dead, that's what they wasn't expecting. Look at me. MOB, Killer Clown, or Black and Red, you know that nigga now. That nigga that you used to rep the bloods, don't be signs up. Sit with them crip niggas, you ever see with the beat like time flash, them pussy ass niggas, nah nigga, I'm much put triggers. Instead, you ever see with the niggas in the hood, they make fun of my cripple old leg. Now I'm ripping they breast with a hollow leg, right in their head with their profile with. Look at they bottle kid, look at they moppers they ride with. When they side right when they dig, in the hood, in the gather the rider, they slide in quick. Then they go past the kid, put up their middle fingers. Matter of fact, they yelling some. Matter of fact, they even tossing some. Then they hit me in their head with it. Alright, now I'ma bust out them bullets. Yeah, you know what they call it quick. These niggas, they falling for this, but I'm not. I'm a real nigga in the sight. Grown man in the mic. Motherfuckers in the hood don't know how I be, son. The game is not right. The game is not nice. But why should I be? Why should I be a polite? Come around, why should I have manners? But none of these motherfuckers ain't giving it back, son. Now I'm bandanas. They wrapped around us. Look at them guns. You already know, son. Now I'm about to discount these sluts. And your niggas in the hoods, they receive it together. And they gather in the hoods and they know what to be like. They right in the game. Pitching the hook and the better they breathe. You see within the hood, son, nobody can even care about me. They count me sitting in the hood, they can just give a fuck if I'm just dead. I'm coming around, long and gone, son around, son, skinny kid, the East Coast Killer Clown. You already know what to be like, to see what they see me like, to see me in the street fight. Think I'ma lose it, yeah, what I probably do. But when I come back, you niggas are through. See that, load the strap, below that black silver thing you ever see with the beat. I'm a Syrian man. Nah, nigga, I'm not coming around in the hood with the block. See with the infrared, that motherfucker. So when the niggas see the info, you say that you get dropped. You see the dead right there, right in your spot. That's me right now. Did a dead man walking, cemetery in the hood. Son got the ground up, then I'm crawling. Coming the hood, then they clowning the spalling. The dip with the sporting. Look at the pistol that I used to play basketball. Look at the way I used to dribble and ball, man. Fuck that, son. And I call, man. Yeah, nigga in the hood, and they make fun of me. Think I'm a nerd in the game until I put your brains on the game. Ain't no saying the word, man. Fuck that, son. Fuck that, son. East Coast kid in this game, and know what the beat like. Hit the clown, little pistol in this motherfucker. You already know what the beat like. These haters in the all of my life, trying to take my life. Tend to take my second time right. This motherfucker, the nigga to the back in the game. Pistol. I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead, that's what you wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead, that's when they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead, that's when they wasn't expecting. I call it a resurrection. Me calling from the dead, that's when they wasn't expecting. Killer Clown, LIL Pistol,
2018, motherfucker.